artist of the afternoon. Syempre, a charismatic performer poised to connect with the next gen, a very young artist. Let's give it up for Justin Maclair! Yes. Ito si Justin, very charming siya, diba? And not only that, but he's also very talented, but at the same time, a very young artist, guys, that we have to watch out for. We have seen him, of course, sa concert ni Fiang, Forever Fiang, and also Call Me Colette, ni Colette Madelo. And syempre, he was also part of Shania Gomez's night sa Noctus Bar. And not only that, si Justin is also a theater actor and a commercial model. Kaya we are so excited. Ito si Justin, grabe siya mag-perform FYI, grabe yung fan service niya. Yan lang yung sasabihin niya. But that's Justin! Now we have our gift for Justin.
Tangkad na ni Justin, naalala ko nung in-audition namin siya, little boy, pero ngayon binatang-binata na. Pero si Justin, ito, another Gen A na artist. So talagang very vibrant, very young yung vibe ng music niya. And he's also a singer-songwriter. And you're gonna, and an actor too. Pero syempre, priority muna ang music. Pero diba, with his looks, inevitable naman na, na he would be acting sooner or later, di ba? Pero syempre, abangan ninyo ang music ni Justin Maclair is currently recording new songs para sa upcoming singles and EP niya. And most of it sinulat niya. So, congratulations, Justin.
Congratulations, Justin. Of course, a message from Justin.
At syempre, unang-una po, gusto ko po papasalamat po sa inyo lahat. Syempre po kay Sir Jonathan, kay Sir Roxy, at syempre yung sabi po. At sa lahat po ng staffs ng Star Pub, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat kasi hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ko po matutupad yung isa sa mga pangarap ko na maging composer at yung makakita yung pangalan ko sa Spotify yan. Malaking bagay na po sa akin yun. At syempre, maraming salamat po sa malaking tiwanang binigay niyo sa akin. At sa iba pang staffs ng Sir Music. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, kahit nga po, hindi ko po matutupad yung isang pangarap ko. At sa mga pumunta po dito sa mga media, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At sana Star Pub po, marami pa tayong pagsamahan at gawing projects. And naman po. Let's go, Star Pub!